Magkano ba talaga ang emergency fund dapat? May mga taong nagsasabi 10%, yung iba naman 30% ng income mo. But let's be real, paano kung ang income mo dito sa Canada ay nasa $3,000 a month lang? May anak ka pa, may mga binabayaran ka pa. Ang tanong, kaya mo bang magtabi ng $300 to $900 a month for your emergency fund? Most of the time, it's tough. Dahil sa sobrang dami at mahal ng gastusin dito. And for a lot of people, hindi siya practical. Hindi practical yung amount na ito. That's why for me, walang fixed rule pagdating sa emergency fund. What matters is you start with something realistic. Kahit $50, $100, $200 a month, kahit anong kaya mo. The goal is to build the habit, not the perfect amount. Let's say ang monthly income mo is $3,000 a month. Multiply that by 6 months and that's your goal. So meron kang goal na $18,000 for your emergency fund. You don't have to build it all at once. Kahit maliit lang ang tinatabi mo today, one day you'll wake up and realize you've built a safety net with your own discipline. Having something is always better than nothing. If you're not sure how to start or how much is realistic for you, message ka lang, tutulungan kita.